is a random vlog. I'm on my way to buy milk. Our results were out, and I got pass. But I'm not so happy with the results I got. In linguistics, I got C plus, and this is the least mark I've ever got in my entire life. I thought I could do that, but I've even took this paper in my undergrad, that is graduation, and I thought I could do it. And even, no, I don't want to say that, but yeah, I got that result, and my grade is not that when it turned into cumulative. Before I used to get 7, now I've decreased to 6, and only one semester left. And let's see this semester how it gonna go. Now I'm not even expecting anything, because let's just see. I just recorded it because I wanted to say this. It was inside me, like it shook my core, and I was like, what? I got that. Now we need to do one more sem, and I thought I would continue my PhD here, but with this I don't think I would like to continue anymore. So stay tuned, let's see what lab bring. Oh, welcome back, you guys. I'm Sachin and I'm blowing. Now it is around 3:50, and I will go for shopping because I have a get together that is like farewell and fresher party. We are just combining it together. So I was getting ready for that, and it is still raining outside. During the day it was hot, so I took a nap, and I woke up around 2:30. No, I think 3. Yeah, I woke up around 3. Then I got a shower. Oh, that's my old today. Navy blue shorts. I thought of wearing jeans, but still it is raining. So if it got wet, I need to wash it again. I don't want to do that. Just wore this. I'm going to let's go there. Ooh. See the cloud, and it rains, so everything is wet. And I'm going. Ooh. Oh, it was lightning up there. The weather is kind of moody, but it is still better than being hot. It was so hot during the day though. Oh, you guys can hear that? I'll meet you at the studio. Plus my battery is only a few. I didn't charge because of this weather. The current got on and off. So yeah. Oh, I'm looking so dark. Got on the tuk-tuk. It's raining. Agya. What Agya? This is the Julia view. You guys. But what am I looking to? I'll see from there. Whoa. Stopping now. I'm on my way and still running. Ooh. You guys. In spite of this raining, I went and did my shopping and I came back. Now I'm going to my flight. I love the weather though. See. It's not raining that heavily now. But when I was going out, when I was on my way, it was pouring down so. Now I will see you guys on that get together day, and I will continue my vlogging. That or blog whatever. We got flooded. It is giving back the memory of Baroda. Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday, and today is the 6th of April, and today is a get together day. So I'll be going there after few hours. It is 6, not 6, it's around 7. Yeah, it's around 7 right now, and I need to be there by 10 because the program will start by 10. So I'll see you guys later when I get a shower and when I'm getting ready. I'll see you guys there. Ignore this maze. I gave it to dry. Oh, I took shower, you guys. It is 9 o'clock, and I'm cooking Mimi. I'll show you what. So I'll have this, and I'll be getting ready, and I'll see you guys at the venue where the program will happen. That is at Lokra, Umang. What do we say? Apartment. I don't know. Umang is the name of that. Oh, it's getting. Oh, sorry. I will meet you guys later. It's getting ready. I got dressed. I already booked a cab. Then it was like I cannot come and all. He didn't know the location. Okay, it was in Garchu, and I'm saying it Garchuk only. It was like I need to take another route, so I canceled the ride. Now I need to book another cab. I'll see you guys on my way to. And by the way, the name of the apartment is Golden Woods, Umang. Golden Woods. So I'll be going there. Waiting for the cab driver. Another one I got cancelled. Not I got cancelled, I cancelled it. They said the program will start at 10 and it is around 10:20. I'm coming, you guys. By the way, I'm wearing this tie-dye t-shirt from Studio, and I'm also wearing this suit from Studio. Ooh. And it's super comfortable. The cab is not yet here, and I need to work. So I booked the cab from Ola. Previous one I booked from Rapido. They even exchanged the driver. I even cancelled the ride. They then called me again and I was like, "Where are you? Please come to the place." I mean, we put the location so that you guys come here. Finally on the cab. Now we're heading.
50 meters, there's a road closure.
Udre.
Check conditions before you go.
That's the location, you guys. And on that rooftop. Let's go. It's so hot. Oh, we can hear. That's not big enough, is it? Rooftop. And not many people are here now. They are still decorating the tank, preparing the stairs. I'm feeling hungry. Oh, let's see how it goes. Hi guys. Hi guys. Wait, no.
Up next, we would like to call Sir Bawa Chandra, Assistant Professor of Department of Political Science.
Thank you, sir. Next up, I would like to call Ma'am Jenny, Assistant Professor of Physiotherapy.
And lastly, I'd like to call up
Ninh thị chờ vợ lòng tâm ni Chinh bù rôi tâm bù rôi ân ni nông sĩ cho nên khuất to bờ lòng tâm ni bùi đây lấy bỏ
ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯅꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨꯀꯣ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯣꯛꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ 우다가 ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯅꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯗ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯨꯔꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ 누시 하이고 하이라고대나 따뜻나버니 아이 밤이 하이고 하이라고대나 야링나버니 링링이 나타나 강한다 가라서 눈시나 이마탐이 낭보 가보이나 아이따기 아이링이
Guys, xin thua udra. He's my junior. He's rank 1, okay. Program like crazy. Because it's sad they have not got I did. It's a lame. Where is the stop? They are doing photo shoot. This is outside Cologne. This was not good. Này xe mày done with the lunch. They're inside, but I just came out here. There's some air. And there will be song by Imi, a band, and they're going to sing some songs. People are eating inside, right there. I just came out and no one is here. Let me see. Yeah, just all there, man. Lawn is wet. Hello. Hi guys, hello. Come here. Lao. Xa đi xa mà có đôi số đúng xa tôi bị thổi lấy có gì xa thua mình à hào rồi mà ngày sai đi xa làm cái gì nó ra mà đây không program gì không ra ấy đi nó mới tạo cái tàu đó mà lại tôi nó thiên nó lồi đâu night view no night view you guys hey lấy cái mà program lồi đâu
Hello.
na tinbiri tapi bangam basu ya mire hai pi bangam basu tilakliya panthau giling phambire baling giling basu tilakliya Pangjira nai koi na taragi thogal phamjaba lalavad na piu haida na kunim jaya
mayam amugana taram nokchari amade mang election birbo jar sing sing kokna khurumjari ahanba khudol oina akhoi Manipur ki puwari da adumak may lan na iraga lehuraga daba adungai 1891 ki Anglo Manipuri warda imale baki damakta thawai na puan thawai khraba athau basingi mafam da kachaba khomjam lan nan gi fam du khol tamjage the battle of khomjam kagachari
Manipur shana Manipur shana lay mayon line thawal lamdam di Chong kabong nani na khata tham sam chuoi mai ri daga British jam jam kalama pana na walan ki sajin dawrampa Mejjar chong thami ya brajam base pona ai cuốn miền ôi hậu bờ lấy rong đi na lấy na tạo ai đỡ ba ninh đi thang liền man bờ lấy chỉ nghe
then guys, then the end. Guys, we are almost over. They are clicking some photos, and I will head back. My ears are hurting just because it was so loud. It was like I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. That was for that get together, freshers plus farewell whatsoever. I'm going. Bye.